Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 1 minute. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is go to the format background and then give it a picture fill. And then you're going to insert a rectangle, remove its outline and duplicate it about 3 times. And then you have to change the color of each of them according to the flag of the country France. So let's insert our text and we're gonna give it a bold font and let's align it into the center and duplicate it about 3 times. And then we have to subtract the rectangle from the text and then duplicate the slide, select all of the stuff and then group it and increase its size by pressing Control. And you have to increase its size so that this picture slide comes into this R. So the next thing we're going to do is insert a text box. Right onto the first slide, change this color to white, and then we have to give it a different alignment and move it upwards out of the slide. Paste it onto the second slide and select both of the templates and then give them more transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below.